Hello guys, today I'll be putting you through on how to make use of the blackhead sewing machine, the manual one, to sew invisible zipper, and I'll be illustrating the way I know how to do it, which is quite simple. You may know another method, but this is a simple method too, without any stress. It could be your old sewing machine, you can see this type. It could be a brand new one, but it should be a manual sewing machine. Look at this sewing machine. You can see the straight feet. That is, the feet that sew the straight line stitches. This is it. The straight one, you have to remove it to replace it with the zipper type. This is the zipper type for manual sewing machine. See the way it looks. Unscrew it like this. I believe you know how to do that. I've removed the straight feet, the straight stitches feet, and I'm going to replace it with the zipper, the invisible zipper feet. This is the feet. Some call it slipper, some call it shoe. This is it. We're going to change it. It's quite different from the straight one. The straight stitches, can you see? Quite different. This is how you go about it. Adjust the screw head, lose it a little, or you remove it entirely. I've just adjusted it. Can you see the screw? Then you tighten it up. Tighten it very well so that it doesn't get loose or remove while you're sewing. Tighten it very well. Look at how it's placed. One thing you have to ensure is check out the feet, this particular feet, and central your needle straight inside the hole here. You know there's a hole for the stitches. Make sure it goes into the hole so that the needle don't get broken. Can you see? It's well placed. Ensure it's well placed like that. Just take your time, you don't have to rush. And also there's a screw here that comes with the feet. It's at the back here. You have to adjust the feet if it's not well placed. The adjustment is here. You move this. I'm losing the screw. Can you see? There's an adjustment of the feet. I'm adjusting it front and back. Ensure that it's well adjusted. It is not blocking the hole. The feet is not blocking the hole, but well placed, so close to the needle. This is the invisible zipper. This is how it looks. This will be at the back, and this will be inside the garment. The side will be inside the garment. Can you see? Before you sew the zipper on the dress, make sure you sew, you double stitch the head of the place. That is the exact place you want the zipper to end. Make sure it is double stitched so that it will be easy for you to sew and it won't lose. This exact place I'm showing you. Double stitch it. Make sure the zipper is well positioned. You can go through my video on how to sew invisible zipper. with manual machine. If you didn't get it very well like this, and you match the machine gently, don't be in a rush, just take your time, you'll get it. Now see the way it looks. This side that we've just sewn, see it? That's how it's going to look like. Very close to the teeth of the zipper, neatly sewn. There are different ways of finishing it. You have to double stitch it at this end. You see the way I'll do it now? You double stitch that particular place when you have to finish it straight. But before you do that, you zip up the zip so it will be easy for you, and you double stitch it like this. Just double stitch, and that will be the finishing. I'm done with this part. Before you go to the other part, open up the zipper and you can pin that side, pin it down for a lovely guard. Then you fold the zipper the way I'm doing it to the back and follow the seam line. You can start from the lower part or the upper part of that zipper. I will be starting from the lower part. That will be very easy for me, or you can start from the upper part, preferably if you love it. Wow, this is beautiful. The zipper is ready. Invisible zipper on a dress. Now I believe you will be able to do this on your own. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumb up. I'm still your tutorial tutor, Omolayo Olalekan, aka Omolayo Fashion. I hope to see you in the next class, and don't forget also to add your friends and loved ones. Let's meet in the next class. Bye bye.